So today we will discuss the significance of moment of inertia in orientation of columns in a building. So let's see this. So first of all, in order to see the significance of this in the orientation of column, let's take as an example a column. Let's take an example of a column. Suppose this is a column which is having a weight of 200 mm by 400 mm. So now this will bend about two axes. This will be the one and this will be another one. Let's give this axis names. This will be the x axis and this will be the y. So it will provide the moment of inertia of 400 into 200 cube by 12 about x axis, and it will provide a moment of inertia of 200 into 400 cube by 12. So just by seeing this value, here the cube is of 400 and here the cube is of 200. So exactly, absolutely, this will be the I minimum and this will be I max. So basically, what is the relation of this I minimum and I maximum in the orientation of column? So let's see this. So now just assume there is one column at this point and there is one another column at this point, and suppose this is a plan of a building, and between these two columns there is a distance of 5 meter, and there is another column at this point and the distance between these two columns is 2 meter. So for this column we can orient in two ways. If we take this column only that we have taken as an example, so if we orient this column in this way, then along the longer direction, along the 5 meter direction, we will have the axis of bending along y. And if we orient this column like this, then we have axis of bending along y will be like this, and here it will be like this. So now here it will provide I max, which will be let's take the same value 200 and 400. So it will provide here I max, which will be 200 into 400 cube by 12, and here it will provide I minimum, which will be 400 into 200 cube by 12. So basically in the longer direction we will need more moment of inertia. So we will have to orient our column like this in the direction of longer span, and in the direction of shorter span we can orient it will provide a I minimum, but it will be safe. So this is the practical significance of orientation of column with the help of moment of inertia. Hope you all guys like my video. So please like, share and subscribe.